On. Again? Hello, good morning everybody. Time for our long overdue fishing video. Today we are gonna be at Kayak 1. We will be heading out to most likely Malang Papan and the Ubin area around there. Today HT is not around, she's at work, but we have SK. Hello. Yeah, let's see how today's fishing goes. See you out there. Okay, this is our launch point for today. We will be heading across the channel over there, and throughout the day we are gonna make our way towards that side, and we'll cross the channel back and head back to here at the end of the day. So if you know how to fish and you're looking for a fishing experience, look for that guy, Nordin from Fish On. Links below. We have reached our first spot, Malang Papan. Wish us luck. What'd you get? Oh, tiny little fella.
If you call me, call me please, call me please. I folded every thought like a razor, carving deep memories. Oh, am I standing at the wrong intersection? Come back to me, back to me. How could I let you go? How could I let you go? How could I let you go? How could I let you go?
We are now heading to another spot right there. Batu Putih. See if our luck changes over there. Okay, we have reached Batu Putih, and this. Yeah, let's see what we can get, if anything.
I hold on to this storm cause I need to be swept away, swept away. I'm cornered in the cold where you left me. Left again, left again. Oh, there's a jungle in my head growing wilder, and it's killing me, killing me. I cannot let you go, I cannot let you go, I cannot let you go, I cannot let you go.
What? Not you! Okay, looks like we are making our way back to Malang Papan again. Hopefully there's something there for us this time. Other than that, it's been quite a slow day. Oh, big bus!
What?
That was big. Again? 40-pound bus. Take run.
Always bite his, don't bite mine.
I don't know why. Finally! And it didn't burst. MJ! Finally! Finally got one. I guess that's it for today. At least we managed to get one pretty good sized mangrove jack and lots of burst lines. Yeah, we better head back before the storm comes. See ya!